Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the communication through the ages part second. Yes, remaining topics of this chapter. Today we are going to study. Okay. Take your page number 42. Email and smartphone. Email means what? That's electronic mail. Email enaduma? Electronic mail. This email is used for sending message instantly via through the computer which are connected to the internet. ஏதாவது ஒரு மெசேஜ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரீவியஸ் வி ஸ்டடிட் அபவுட் த ஹவு டு சென்ட் த மெசேஜஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தே சென்ட் த்ரூ த pigeons or horse riders or messengers. Then in the technology they are used interpersonal communications, that is post office. Through the post office they send the messages, so it will take 1 or 2 days or 4 days or 5 days, yes, depending to the countries or cities. Then they developed what? Telegraph. It is also one of the device only. It will transmit and receive messages long distances, short duration, within a few hours, yes, through the electrical telegraph operator using the Morse code. Who is invented that Morse code? Who invented the telegraph? Samuel Morse in 1844. Telephone. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. It is a device only. It transmits the sound and receive the sound. Yes, we can talk use through the phone. Yes, if you are in one country, in same living country means we can use STD. If you want to talk with another country, use ISD. Yes, now but you are using mobile phones. Now today we are going to see the mobile phone. Yes, then fax. It is almost used in the office level. It's one of the device only. It is attached by the telephones. Yes, it transmission of message at a quick phase. Idu செய்தி என்ன செய்யும் விரைவா அனுப்பும். Now we are going to see about the email. Email is used for sending message instantly via through the computer using a internet. Yes, with the technology as we speak, the markets are flooded with new year gadgets with every day. Yes, children, see, if you want to send any resume, biodata or your mark sheet to anyone, what do you want to do? You can send through the email. No need to go to send telegraph or fax or post office. Through the email we can send. Yes, see, my resume is attached. If I have provide with the background and qualification, please let me know. Didn't சொல்லி அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க அப்படிதானே? See, 1 2 3 third line, one of the pin like that is there. Yes, through the pin, if you click what the matter is there, you can attach that one and you can send through this via the email. அதை கிளிக் பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பேஜ் வேணுமோ எடுத்துகிட்டு சென்ட் கொடுத்தா என்ன செஞ்சிடும் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ராக்ஷன் ஆஃப் செகண்ட் என்ன செஞ்சிடும் உங்களுக்கு போய் சேர்ந்துடும். இது இமெயில் அட்வான்டேஜஸ். மொபைல் ஃபோன். Now we are all using smartphone. Yes, in our hand. Yes, children, see smartphone. All whatever here in the world entire it is in the phone. Yes, we can study online classes through phone only. Yes, children, through the smartphone. Yes, we are download Schooly app. Through this one we are getting benefits. Some benefits from we can study without coming to the school. You can study in your house. Yes, through the smartphone. So smartphone have the features of a telephone and computer which allow us to send email through the computer only. First we can send, but now through the smartphone also we can send email, we can browse the internet, we can call and we can send the SMS and we can be used video calls, videos and images. Yes, we can send some messengers. We have a new instant messaging service in our smartphone. Twitter, Instagram. Yes, children. Like that more is there. Yes, we can use. Now, means of mass communication. வெகுஜன தொடர்பு. First we saw interpersonal, two peoples or few peoples. Here Vegujana means conveyed to the large number of peoples. It's not countable. At the same time, the message can be conveyed to the large peoples. Yes, it's, we can say, means of mass communications. It became one of the necessary. எங்கேயோ நடக்குது, நம்ம எது மூலமா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்? நியூஸ் பேப்பர், மேகசின், ரேடியோ, டெலிவிஷன், சினிமா. எஸ், ஸோ ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபியூ எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் டிஸ்மினிட்டிங் இன்ஃபார்மேஷன்ஸ். நிறைய இன்ஃபார்மேஷன் என்ன செய்யுது? பரப்புது. ஈவன் ஃபார் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட். எஸ், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், டெக் Colgate. We can see the advertisements and we are going to buy the product from the shop. Yes. Yes. So newspaper and magazine is one of the mass communications. So first printing press who invented, children? Previous chapter I taught you. Yes. Yes. Say, children, who are going to say now? Who invented the first printing press? Who, children? Who said? Very good. Johannes Gutenberg in Germany person only invented that one. When? 1940. Yes, it's one of the mass printing of newspaper and books began. Newspaper and magazine are publication containing news, opinions, advertisement and information about the across the world. எங்கெங்க உலக செய்திகள் எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? புக் மூலமாக. மேகசின் என்னது? புக்கு. சரியா? மேகசின் மூலமாகவோ இல்லை பேப்பர், நியூஸ் பேப்பர் மூலமாகவோ நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். These are the printed means of mass communications that provide us information at very low price. Also they are available in different languages. எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ்லையும் பேப்பர் கிடைக்கும். 4 ரூபா 5 ரூபா கொடுத்தா என்ன செஞ்சிடலாம்? We can buy the newspaper. If you give 5 or 4 rupees, we can buy the newspaper. Yes, the newspaper keeps updated about the daily happening around the world. What is happening in the world daily, day by day, it is updated. It's the most popular means of communication among the educated people. Newspaper also features articles. என்னதெல்லாம் இருக்குது? நியூஸ்பேப்பர் என்னதெல்லாம் வரும்? பொலிட்டிக்கல் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ், அரசியல் நிகழ்வுகள், ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பற்றி, பிஸ்னஸ், கிரைம், என்னென்ன குற்றம் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, என்னென்ன தப்பிதங்கள் நடந்துட்டு இருக்குது உலகத்தில், சயின்ஸ், ஆர்ட், என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே இதில் தான் வருது. நியூஸ் பேப்பர் என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? சம் ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் வி கேன் பி see there. Now we are going to see about the radio. Another commonly used means of mass communications is the radio. It was invented by the Italian scientist Guglielmo Marconi. This person, his name is Guglielmo Marconi. It not only a means of entertainment, it serves a purpose of advertisement. எஃப்எம் பார்த்து கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, சம் பப்ளிக் அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் இட் வில் கிவ். எஸ், த்ரூ திஸ் ஒன் வேரியஸ் எஜுகேஷன் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ், news, sports, commentary, folk, classical and film songs. It's all in broadcast on the radio channels, on the private or national radio channel. People who don't know how to read means they can read, they can enjoy to listen it. Yes, வாசிக்க தெரியாதவங்க கூட என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? இந்த ரேடியோ மூலமா செய்திகளை என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுத படிக்க தெரிஞ்சாதான் என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? We can read the magazine or newspaper, but if you don't know to read means they can enjoy through the radio. They can get some information from the radio. The invention of radio brought about a revolution in mass communication. With the help of radio, The messages transmitted can be transmitted over long distance via radio signals. There is no heavier cables and wires for the radio transmissions. Okay, there is no need for through the signals we can transmit our informations. Okay. Now televisions. See in the picture, first television how it is. Look at the picture. Second, it's formed like this. Third one like that. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now we are using LED TV. Yes, this is the evolution of the televisions. படிப்படியா TV என்ன செஞ்சுச்சு மாற ஆரம்பிச்சு. When I born, the fifth picture see like that only. But in your period, now we are using LED, smart TV. Yes, children. So this television is the audio visual device. ரேடியோவில் நம்ம கேட்க மட்டும் தான் செய்ய முடியும், பார்க்க முடியாது. But in this television we can see, we can hear. Audio visual device. That is a major source of information and entertainment, and it invented in 1926 by John Logie Barrett in England. Who developed? See this man, John Logie Barrett. He born in England. Nowadays programs can be shown live on television with the help of satellite. Through the help of satellites, this day television is also being used in schools, smart class அப்படினு சொல்றாங்களா, as an audio visual technique and educational programs, news, sports, cultural events, sitcoms means comedy, are broadcast on various channels and are enjoyed by people. Cinema has a great impact on the lives of people. Cinema is not only entertains us but also educate the masses through documentaries and educational films. Certain movies highlights the prejudice, பாரபட்சம் சொசைட்டியில் தப்புன்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சுவாங்க காமிப்பாங்க, and help people understand the problems prevailing in the country. So cinema has a major role in shaping public opinions. Now we are going to see the internet. Internet is a means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world through service provider. It was started in America, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க, and was made available for the world in the beginning of the 1990s. Through the internet, messages can be sent through all over the world almost instantly we can send. Yes, through the email, Facebook we can see some messages. Yes, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google, WhatsApp, this is all is social media. This all is a best social media sites that you can see in the video. This all we can send messages all over the world almost instantly. The internet also facility online shopping is there. We can reserve the tickets, we can pay the bills, electrical bill, phone bill. Yes, it's give your work as a easier. It provides vast information any topic and thus make research work easier. If you want to find anything, any information of any topic, we can research easily. Yes, social networking is the latest means of communicating with friends and relatives over the internet. WhatsApp la ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூடயோ ரிலேட்டிவ் கூட நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் அனுப்பணும் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், through the internet we can be send. It's one of the platform which is used to share one thoughts, photographs, videos. காலையில குட் மார்னிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அனுப்புவோம், குட் நைட் அனுப்புவோம், ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் இருந்தால் அனுப்புவோம். இதில் நம்முடைய மைண்டில் இருக்க ஷேர்ஸ் தாட்ஸ் we can share it through the videos or photograph with selective peoples. We can நம்மளுக்கு பிடிச்சமானவங்களுக்கு தான் என்ன செய்வோம் நம்ம அனுப்புவோம். அப்படிதானமா? It is a means of user to interact over the internet through instant messaging. Examples I said Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yes, anyone over the age of 18 years can become a member of this sites. Earlier computers are connected to the internet using telephone wires or LAN wires. Local area networks. Okay, LAN means local area network. However, nowadays most office and houses are Wi-Fi enabled. பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, ஒரு ஃபோன்லேயே அம்மா நெட் போட்டுக்கிட்டு எல்லா ஃபோன்லேயும் பார்த்துக்கலாம். அப்படி தான் Wi-Fi யூஸ் பண்ணி. That allows computer also, smartphone and other device also we can be connect without any another wireless within a particular area. Now we are going to see the artificial satellite. This is an artificial satellite. செயற்கைக்கோள் are human-made machines launched in the Earth's orbit using rockets. They revolve around the Earth, continue and serve various purposes. That's different types of satellites we have. It is launched by the human-made only. Okay. மனுஷனாக தான் உருவாக்குன அந்த செயற்கைக்கோளெல்லாம் ராக்கெட் மூலமாக செயற்கைக்கோளை அனுப்புனாங்க. என்னதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போமா? What are the types of satellites we can see? Astronomical satellites, geographical satellites, communication satellites, weather satellites. First communication satellite only. Okay, now we are going to see the astronomical satellites. See, this satellites is used for observation of distant planets. தூரத்தில் இருக்கதான கிரகங்கள் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், பார்த்துக்கலாம். Galaxies and other outer space objects. Geographical satellites, it's provide the information about the earth resources. பூமியில கிடைக்கிறதான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Next, communication satellite. This is a first communication satellite. This is this picture. See the picture. This is a first communication satellite. The station is space for the purpose of telecommunication and used for telephone calls, television broadcast. இவ்வளோ நாள் பார்த்தோம்ல டெலிஃபோனு எப்படி கரண்ட்டே இல்லை ஒயரே இல்லாமல் இங்கேருந்து அங்கே போகுது செய்தி அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் யோசிச்சிருப்பீங்க. எல்லாமே எது மூலமாக தான் நடக்குது, இந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் சேட்டலைட் மூலமாக தான். சிக்னல்ஸ் ஆர் சென்ட் ஹை அப் இன் த ஸ்கை ஃப்ரம் த சர்டன் லொகேஷன் ஆன் த earth. They reach the satellite and are transmitted from one location to another location on the earth. This is how communication takes place through satellites. These satellites also make it possible for people to watch live matches. The satellite தான் நம்ம லைவாக நடக்கிற மேட்ச் எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஒரு மெசேஜ், ஒரு டிவியில் நாடகம் பார்க்குறோம், ஒரு டிவியில் சினிமா பார்க்குறோம், நியூஸ் பார்க்குறோம், எல்லாமே எது மூலமாக தான் போயிட்டு இருக்குது, the செயற்கைக்கோள், this satellite only. Okay children? Okay. Now weather satellite. See, weather satellite is used to monitor the earth weathers and climate. This all is satellite only. Okay, upon the earth the satellites there. Okay, some of an artificial satellite are generally fitted with powerful cameras. Some of these take pictures of earth and also help us to make accurate maps. நம்ம கூகுளில் போட்டோன்னு ஒரு இடத்துல போனோன்னே இங்கே நிற்கிதோம், இந்த இடத்துல நிற்கிறோன்னு சொல்லி காமிக்குதெல்லாம், இதெல்லாம் எப்படி தான், இந்த சேட்டலைட் மூலமாக தான், ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் சேட்டலைட் மூலமாக தான் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், தெரிஞ்சிக்க முடியும். ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே, நவ் டெக்னாலஜி இஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ்டட். We are in the modern life. Yes children? Yes. I hope you understand. Okay. Now children, take your book, page number 46. Filling the blanks. You fill it. Okay. First answer is cinema. ARPANET. Apernet. Mosh. Samuel Mosh. Fourth one is radio. Fifth one is televisions. Now, you write the match the following. Samuel Morse, what will come? Telegraph. Telegraph. Second one, A, television. Third one is printing press. Fourth one is telephone. Fifth one, radio. Fifth one is radio. 2, 5, 4, 1, 2. Five. Fifth one is radio, yes? Fifth one is radio. So, 2, 5, 4, 1, 3. Okay? Okay, children. Now, page number 47, write the full form of the following. Subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing. STD. AR. All India Radio. All India Radio. Third one, international subscriber dialing. Fourth one, short message service. SMS children la. Short message service. Fifth one, fax mail transmission. Sixth one is electronic mail. Electronic mail. Now, you write what is mass communications. Previous we wrote meaning, missing, jumbles, 2 questions. Yes. Here, now we are continuing the third question. What is mass communications? Means of conveying information to a large number of people simultaneously is referred to as mass communications. Example, newspaper, magazine, radio, internet, etc. Fourth question, write a short note on internet. Internet is a mean of connecting a computer, any other computer, anywhere in the world through service providers. Through the internet, messages can be sent all over the world almost instantly. The internet also facilitates online shopping, reservations of tickets, payment of bills, etc. I give the time for you. Sharp your pencil. Write the day and date. Write it, children. Write neatly. Write fast. Right, children? Write fast, write fast. Now fifth question. Now fifth question. Sorry. My throat is not good, so some voice is coming, yes? Okay, children. I'm not well, so you can adjust. Okay, children? Write a short note on social networking. Social networking is the latest means of communications with friends and relatives over the internet. It is also a platform which is used to share one's thoughts, photographs, video, etc. with selective peoples. It is a means for user to interact over the internet through instant messaging. Examples include Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, etc. Who invented the telephone? Who? Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone in 1876. Okay, give the time for you. Write fast, children. Write it neatly. Have you completed the book exercise all? Up to fifth lesson, we are completed, yes? Yes, children? Write it neatly, write fast. How do we communicate with people living in different cities and countries using the telephones? Telephone is a device that transmits and receives sound, enabling people to talk to people residing in the same city or in another city or another country. Communications with people living in other cities of our country is possible through telephone by the STD, subscriber trunk dialing facility possible. However, in order to communicate with people in another country, we use the international subscriber dialing facility. Write it fast, children. How is radio important as a means of mass communication? Like a story you study like that. This question you want to study like a story. Then only you can write fast, okay? You can memorize easily. Radio serves the purpose of advertising and making important public announcements, various educational programs, News, sports, commentary, folk, classical and film songs are broadcast on the private and national radio channels. People who do not know how to read can enjoy listening to radio. The invention of the radio brought about a revolution in mass communication. With the help of radio, messages can transmitted over long distance via radio signals. So it's one of the mass communications. Radio is one of the mass communications. Give the time for you. Write it, children. Okay, children, I hope you are all finished your classwork, book activities. So up to 5th lesson we are finished. So we can meet with next lesson in next video. Childrens, be happy daily. Enjoy, but don't go anywhere. Clean your hand. Always you want to keep your hand very clean. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.